Hello everyone, welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. So today let's learn something new about Capcut. Today I would like to show you how to make video blurry on a Capcut by iOS. So here I already have the videos on my project. Now don't ever forget to click this section until it's become active mode. When it's being active, on the below's button there are a lot of options, and then we just need to scroll it into the left side until we found a motions blur options. Now just click the button and then we can adjust how much we want to blur the video. I want to make my videos become so blurry, so I want to make it like 100% over here. Nice. And then just click like checklist over here. We just need to wait until it's 100% applied to our video. Okay, it's now 100% finished. Let's have try. Right, now our videos become blurry compared to the previous one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave some comment. Thank you.